sugar kete oh. Kano. Wala pang rice. Kuha tayo ng ano, sugar kete sa kakyat-kyat.
Oo.
Tag-isang box. No?
Kyat-kyat, wag na muna.
Para
Okay yun ano yung sugar kyat eh. Mas mabili yun eh.
Dapat everyday na tayo naglalakad.
Oo nga.
Kahit 1 hour.
Kaya nga 1 hour, 30 minutes, okay na yun. Paglakad lang.
Masama, natulog lang si Ellie.
Saan? Saan natutulog yun?
Magandahan lang kasi nasa puso nila lahat ng mga pagkakamali nila. Napilit namin nila. Sarap ba? Tayo ba natin? Kasi matagal-tagal pa tayo.
Saan ka?
Ako.
Saan yan? Saan? Nandiyan ka sa bahay? Ha? Ha? Sino nandun sa bahay? Ha?
Maambun.
Laway mo yun. Ako nga, laway ko.
Umambun na. Uwian na. Issue bestie.
3, 4 pieces of cantaloupe. 4 is the last number we said, so we know we have 4 pieces. We cut all the fruit. Great job, you did it. Next, let's talk about the parts of an apple. If you have a friend to help you, you can cut open an apple. I cut open this apple. This part's the skin of the apple. This part is called the flesh of the apple. This little part is called the stem. The stem is where the apple was hanging from the tree. This part is called the core of the apple.
Ginaya ng kuya Jong mo yan eh, si Miss Rachel.
So we have the skin.
Pinapanood kay Rhea, umiyak.
Mom, can you say wow? Can you say